Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. Just a few pieces, 3 pieces for Loro Piana. This is the spring collection for women. Suede jacket, green top. I will share the fabric contents, price, and sizing as I go. And a pair of pants that will have, I think the pants are kind of interesting, very 90s. Drop crotch. They will have a tank that I think might be a winner that sort of matches or goes with it, but we'll try on all 3 of these pieces and see what you think. This will be a pretty quick try on. All right, hi. So this is our first piece for Loro Piana. It is the traveler's jacket that they get every year in every color that you can ever imagine. This is the suede version, exactly the same jacket, structured really well. This is a size medium. And I like my jacket. It's very oversized, so I can kind of pile on some sweaters underneath. It's lambskin. I don't know the price because there's no price on the tag. So either it means it's insane or they just forgot. So just want to show you in close detail. So one thing I don't like about the traveler's jacket is because it has the hood kind of rolled into the back. Of course, that was what makes it a travel piece, right? But because it has the hood rolled in back there, it's very uncomfortable. So if I wanted to get a pretty cool suede jacket, it's a beautiful color, absolutely gorgeous color and really nice fitting, super comfortable. I'm a sucker for pockets. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that I don't want to buy things that don't have pockets. But if you, if you just want a really cool, simple, nice lambskin suede jacket, we don't need all this stuff in the back, right? Because let me ask you this: who's going to put on a suede or a lamb? It feels like suede, but I guess it's lambskin. Who's going to put on your lambskin hoodie in the rain? Doesn't really make sense to me. So you're gonna be protecting it and not wearing it in the rain, right? So unless this is very water repellent, to me it's kind of a misnomer. So for me, this is in terms of style, I like it. I think it's pretty cute, maybe a good 6. I have no idea on the price. I can't talk about value, wearability for me because it is, if I were to just cut this part off, I would wear it. With it on, I'm not going to wear it. So for me, the wearability is around a 2, but I just wanted to show you this piece. So let me move on to the green top, the pants, and then we'll be done for this particular video. So welcome back. This is a 38, and as you can see, I can't try it on because I can't even get it underneath my arm. So I feel like a robot here. It is actually 100% wool. It feels very soft and flexible and thin and nice, but so the fabric feels great. It's about 1900, but the color's awesome. Let me show you up close. The color is just it's not olive, but kind of a darky olive. Is that a word? A dark olive. What I don't like, obviously, is the fit. And also, if I'm going to have something that looks like a snap, give me the ease of a snap. We don't have that. So this one for me, wearability is pretty, well, it's a 0. It doesn't fit me. The style, I think it's kind of boring. I'm going to give it a 3. And for the price, it's not worth it to me. So I would give it a 1 or a 2. Let me try the pant, and then we'll be wrapped up for Loro Piana. Well, I'll show you a pair of shoes, just they're loafers that came in dark blue. I'll just hold them up, and then we'll get wrapped up. All right, welcome back. I dropped the camera down, and you can see how much of a drop waist this is. It was not drop waist. It's a full-on drop crotch. This is about, I think it said 2,700. This is a size 40. It fits well. It's 100% linen. Pockets are a little awkward. Need to be here if you're going to have this style pant. I don't think they executed that very well. And yeah, I mean, I just can't do this. I'm sorry, but it's not going to work for me. So for me, the wearability of this is a 0. Oh, well, okay, I only have 1 to 10 is a 1. Value is a 1 because I'm not going to wear it. And the style, I don't think this is very flattering. So it's a 1 as well. Let me show you the shoes really quick. All right, this is their moccasin. So they have rose on the website. This is dark blue. I didn't see dark blue on there. They do run a little bit small. I'm actually able to wear them even with my jacked up foot. So they're not the cutest things in the world, but if you're having trouble like I am, they will suffice, and they look better than Nike. So I think these are $800 and nice sole, good for travel, I think. And then also just kind of walking around if you're able to do that, in my case, hobble around. So I just wanted to show you this pair of shoes. That wraps up my Loro Piana spring. Very quick video. More coming, of course, as pieces come in. And I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are.